Hi, my name is Andy. I'm gonna talk a bit about why I'm doing this video today. So, a friend of mine asked me how would a blues song sound with double kick on it. And I said it would sound pretty funny and pretty interesting. But I started to think, I became very curious and I came down to the rehearsal room and started to play along with blues songs. And I picked one, which is One Scotch, One Bourbon, One Beer from Amos Milburn. Now I'm not a blues guy, but it was pretty interesting to see and hear two different genres mixed together, and I realized during this process that I had to think outside the box. So I came up with different ideas. I started to experience with the double kick, and you will hear it soon. It's a short one, but it's interesting. So my message is that it's always good to think outside of the box, because when you do that, you will open your creative ways to make something good, create something unique, and I guarantee you always learn something when you think outside the box. So hope you will enjoy it.
I don't want soda, no bubble gum. You got what I want, just serve me some. Since my baby's been gone, everything's lost. I'm on this kick and I can't get off. One scotch, one bourbon, one beer. One scotch, one bourbon, one beer. Please, Mr. Bartender, listen here. I ain't here for trouble, so have no fear. One scotch, one bourbon, one beer. My woman started me on this spree. I can't find her and she can't find me. She left this morning